Well, I hope you enjoyed the prompt for day 6. The moon is a constant wonder to me, so I really enjoyed doing this particular day. If you haven't signed up yet, then the details are down in the description and the playlist is linked next so that you can see all the videos that we've done so far. But that's it for today, and I shall see you again tomorrow. Take care. Bye.